These are skincare habits that I live by anytime, any day. And these are skincare habits that will take your skin from a 0 to 100. Hello, everybody. My name is Damilola. In case you're stopping for the first time, where have you been? You're welcome. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome back. Guys, please do not be a stranger here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about skincare habits that I've cultivated that help me to maintain my skin health. I said habits because they are small things that I do here and there repetitively till they became pattern, till they became something that I cannot live without. I said all of that to say that it's not something you can do today and do next tomorrow and forget to do it tomorrow. It's something you have to be consistent with. That is how it's become habits. Let's get right into the video. Number one is cleansing my skin. Guys, I have learned over time that I need to cleanse my skin. No matter how tired I am, even if on days that I'm so tired, I don't feel like washing the rest of my body, maybe at night, my face, non-negotiable. I have to. That's not to say you should not wash the rest of your body. Cleansing your skin, top tier. You have to cleanse your skin. It's just like you keep putting fresh food on dirty plates every time. That is the only thing I can relate to not washing your face and putting product on it every day. I know there are TikTok trends that will tell you, you don't even have to wash your face every day. You don't even. It's a myth. It's a lie. Don't mind them. Oh, wash your face. And if you can, please double cleanse. I've made a video where I spoke about double cleansing the skin. It will pop up now. You can double cleanse your skin if you have makeup on your skin and you're sure that just your cleanser will not take off your makeup, or if you use retinol or sunscreen and you want to make sure you are getting total rid of it on your face, then you can double cleanse. The first cleansing might be in form of micellar water. It could be with oil, cleansing oil, or cleansing balms. There are a lot. Just make sure you figure out something that works for your skin. Honestly, you do not have to double cleanse your skin every time, just when you have to. But cleansing your skin is a must. The number two habit that I have cultivated over time is making sure that I get a lot of hydration, i.e., moisturizing my skin. This one is non-negotiable. I feel like I'm saying all of everything is non-negotiable because again, habits that I have formed. As yeah, I intentionally put hydration and moisturizing the skin together because not just putting hydrating products, but you also need to learn to hydrate from inside out. I don't joke with hydration. There are days that I slack, but that's I always try to have water beside me so that as I'm going, I'm sipping. Please hydrate your skin. However, I know we always say drink water and mind your business. Drinking just water will not solve everything. It will not solve all of your problems, but it will help and it will make sure you're getting a lot of hydration. And that is where hydrating physically and moisturizing the skin comes in. Talking about moisturizing the skin, I want to talk particularly to my oily and acne prone skin babes. I know people will say, oh, you have an oily skin, you do not need moisturizer, you don't need to add more cream or lotion on your face. It's a lie. Please moisturize your skin. As a matter of fact, if you do not moisturize your skin, the skin will overcompensate by producing more oil. You can even try it yourself so that it will not be as if these people are just always coming up with different things every day. Don't moisturize your skin after washing your face. Just leave it like that. You will see that it will produce more oil than it would on days that you've moisturized your skin. Moisturizing the skin and making sure that the skin gets enough hydration just balances everything out. Incorporating hydrating products is also a way to give your skin a lot of hydration. It could be in form of toners. It could even be in form of your cleansers, your toners, your serums, your moisturizers, and even sunscreen. And these are also ingredients that will give your skin a lot of hydration. Hyaluronic acid, peptide, ceramides, snail mucin. You can just look out for these ingredients in your products. Another skincare habit that I have cultivated, and I noticed that after I stopped doing this, there was a big difference, is when I stopped picking my acne or just randomly touching my face. If you still do that, this is how I look at you. I'm no longer part of people's community. Anytime I see people trying to bust or pick other people's acne, I'm always, my skin is always, oh, stop. Why are you doing that? Stop picking your acne and stop touching your faces. We go about our days, you will not even know when your hands will pick germs, or when even if you carry your sanitizers around and you sanitize your hands every now and then, that is not a what's it called, pass for you to be touching your face anyhow. Please stop touching your faces, especially people that their skin are acne prone. You can imagine having open wounds or acne on your face, and then you touch something again and you plaster it on it. It will not quickly heal. It might even be infected the more. So, yeah, stop picking your acne and stop touching your face. Stop it. Another skincare habit that I live by is target treatment, and I'm going to explain this. I target treatments in a way that I don't try to bombard my skin with a lot at the same time. I have gone through a phase where I was using everything just so my it just got worse. So this is what I do. In the mornings, I protect my skin. That is everything I do. I just make sure my skin gets a lot of hydration and I protect it. I use my sunscreen. Then, if need be, if I'll be outside in the sun, I reapply. Then at night, I use my treatment, i.e., exfoliation. And because you have to exfoliate at night, doesn't mean you have to use all of your exfoliants at once. You can just you should even space it out. On nights that use your glycolide or salicylic acid, you should know better not to use your retinol on that night, especially if you know that your skin cannot tolerate it or your skin has not built tolerance. And talking about retinol, make sure you figure out one that suits your skin. I understand that not everyone can use retinol, not everyone can use tretinoin. However, there are different variants of retinoids. I have a video on that. It will pop up now. Please check it out to, know the one that you can pick for your skin. Retinoids are fantastic. They are good for the skin. However, you don't have to be stuck with tret or retinol. There are different ones that you can use. I was talking about protecting my skin in the morning. Before in the morning, I would want to use vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, all of this. What I do now is to get a product that has maybe like two of these or three of these as a single product instead of having up to 10 steps in the morning. I could just get everything, those three in a bottle, and then I just move on to my moisturizer and my sunscreen. End of story. The last skincare habit that I live by, I'm sure you can see this one coming, and you've been waiting for me to talk about it. Sunscreen, daily sunscreen. Let me tell you guys what happened to me yesterday. After I finished my morning routine, I would usually do my face first before I go with the rest of my body. But somehow I was distracted, and after I used my moisturizer, I just went ahead to moisturize the other part of my body. Then I got on with my day. I think like 20 minutes later, I remembered I did not use sunscreen. The way I jumped up, it shall not be heard that somebody that talks about sunscreen every time doesn't remember to use their own sunscreen. I don't even forget. I don't know why I forgot yesterday. Again, distractions. I'm telling you guys this story so that you can know how seriously I take sunscreen. I do not just talk about it. I also live by it, guys. Please use your sunscreen. I think I should even make a video on why you should always use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. Oh. If I have made that video, if that video goes up before this, then it will pop up now. But if not, please look out for it. Guys, please use your sunscreen. Don't let anybody deceive you and say, "Hey, we are black people. We don't need sunscreen. Our forefathers." But your forefathers and foremothers, they had premature aging. They are Use your sunscreen. Don't let anybody tell you use your sunscreen. Once you start seeing how important sunscreen is and how much you need it, then you will know that it's not something you are supposed not to use. I don't know if I put that very well. Just see it as protecting your investment, because sometimes even if you use a lot of products and you do not use your sunscreen to like protect it and pack everything up, girl, boy, you are just wasting money. I've said my own. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again today. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Some of you guys are watching and you're not subscribing. It's not fair. Oh. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, please. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay jiggy, be kind to your skin, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.